Rumors suggest that the 2026 Duster will push its rugged image further with sharper, more assertive styling. Expect a revised front grille, possibly merging into Y or arrow-shaped LED daylight running lights, giving the front end a more unified, modern appearance. The bodywork might feature more pronounced wheel arches and over fenders, along with roof rails and perhaps skid plates becoming a more obvious design element to emphasize off-road capability. A sportier coupe-like version has even been mooted, with a sloping roofline to appeal to buyers wanting both utility and style. Dacia appears to be moving towards a more electrified future for the Duster. Several sources note that mild hybrid versions are expected, and possibly even full hybrid variants for strength and better emissions performance. A fully electric version, EV offshoot, is confirmed as planned, though timing remains unclear. Engines such as turbocharged petrol TCE units, 1.0L or 1.2L, are likely to be retained or upgraded, possibly with dual-fuel (LPG) options in some markets. These changes are intended to improve efficiency while meeting stricter emissions regulations. Inside the cabin, reports hint at upgraded materials, more comfort, and enhanced usability. Buyers could expect denser foam in seat cushioning, improved lumbar support, and adjustments such as greater front seat travel or height adjustment. Rear legroom is rumored to increase slightly, while boot space on some trims may be made more accessible with a lower or wider boot opening. Infotainment upgrades are likely: larger touchscreens, possibly in the order of 10.1-inch in mid to high trims, improved smartphone connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and more USB-C ports. Safety and driver aids are expected to become more comprehensive. New versions of the Duster may include blind spot monitoring, multi-view or 360-degree camera systems, enhanced braking and stability control technologies, and more standard safety equipment than current models. The infotainment system is likely to be more responsive, with possibly an updated digital instrument cluster in higher trims. Also rumored is the introduction of features such as adaptive hill descent, off-road mode displays, inclinometer, compass, and better visibility aids for 4x4 versions. Dacia seems more committed than ever to balancing rugged practicality with environmental responsibility. One report says that about 20% of certain plastics used, for wheel arch guards, body cladding, etc., will be recycled, using a material called Starkle, which is unpainted and reusable. Decorative chrome may be reduced or removed in many trims. Features such as washable upholstery and rubber mats in some high-trim extreme versions are being talked about to improve durability. Also, practicality enhancements such as increased cabin storage, up to 28-30 liters, and more thoughtful user features like under armrest storage or convenient charging ports both front and rear are expected. While improving tech and comfort, Dacia likely won't abandon what makes the Duster distinctive: off-road capability and value. Ground clearance is expected to remain high, over 200 mm, with good approach and departure angles and perhaps an improved 4x4 system on certain trims. Pricing is predicted to increase somewhat, especially for trims with hybrid or full hybrid systems, but Dacia is reputed to try to retain affordability compared to rivals. Thus, it is probable that base trims will stay relatively budget-friendly, while extreme or special editions bundle in the more premium touches.